All right, so busy, productive afternoon here on Pierre. We got our timing cover all in. Got our balancer ready to go, but it's hitting the new water pump, which is kind of annoying because there's the old pump still, just kind of laying in there. And it didn't hit the old pump because I pulled the balancer before I pulled the water pump. So I might have to pull this pump back off again, put the balancer on, and then put it back, but whatever, it's not a big deal. But all that's done, everything there is ready and setting up. We've got hubs assembled with the correct races. We did have one race shatter, which, where did I put it? Oh, it's right here. I've never had a bearing race shatter on install. And everything was square, everything was fine, there was no burrs, but it shattered. So I'm glad it did it on install and not going down the road or something. So get to go discuss that with our friends at the parts store. What else we got in here? Hubs. We got our pulleys painted. And our distributor hold down. Our coil bracket. All this stuff's ready to roll. So tomorrow I'll come over, finish that bearing race, and we will have assembly fun time. Coming along. Progress.